Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Unich Airdrop, their latest update today, the listing and the Unich IDO. We need to see their latest update. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value updates. So 5 hours ago, this is what Unich has to say concerning the Unich IDO. Dear Freedom Farm, we know you have been eagerly waiting for official updates regarding the Unich IDO and the project upcoming roadmap. Today, we are officially announcing the extension of the IDO phase with the key reason outlined below. So, Unich gave us an update yesterday or the day before that they are going to launch their token on February 2026, and today they are also telling us that they have extended the Unich IDO. So for how long will they keep on extending this Unich IDO? Preset that has been on for more than 5 months, and yet they keep on extending it. So let them keep an end on this preset. Let's focus on another thing, which is the TGE. The community is tired. Are you guys not tired? I'm tired. They should stop extending. It's not a must that everybody will partake on the pre-sale. So why are they making this the Unich IDO pre-sale a mandatory? Because extending it every time and then really means they want everybody to purchase this IDO. And people like me that did not purchase now, what is our fate? Okay, let's see their outline reasons. The first thing they said is that Unich Network, the new core product of Unich, is entering its final stage of development. Extending the IDO allows Unich to secure additional capital too. Oh, Unich doesn't have enough capital to invest in further product development and refinement, accelerate marketing during the launch phase, enabling Unich Network to expand globally faster, prepare the infrastructure to serve millions of users from day one. Our goal is to ensure that our Unich Network launches is truly live up to the expectation of the Freedom family. So this is one of the main reasons. They want to have to secure an additional capital to be able to invest in different whatever. Now the second point is, over the past period, the Unich IDO has grown organically without any large-scale advertising campaigns. All momentum and visibility came directly from the community itself. They said after Unich Network was officially announced, we decided to expand the opportunity for new users to join the IDO, as by now they have sufficient information to better understand the project, the vision and the long-term value of Unich. Now the third point why they want to extend the IDO is that recently the number of new users joining Unich has grown far faster than expected. This is an extremely positive signal, but it is also generates important infrastructure demand. Extending the IDO phase gives us more time to increase system capacity and expand servers, reduce latency, stress test performance and prevent potential system congestion. So they say that all of these efforts serves one single goal: to bring the Unich IDO to the finish line at the perfect time with the strongest momentum and the largest community support possible. So they said you have to go and purchase your freedom, that's your UN, so that they can have enough capital to invest in our infrastructures. So this is what they have to say concerning the extension. So if you have not purchased your UN, but this is not a financial advice, there is still time for you to purchase it using your Phantom wallet. Now, looking at this comment here, someone here said, there is no error for that user who only mine FD points in app right now, and the FD point is not converted to $UN. Soon, FD point converted to $FC, but there is no chance of listing of FC in February. So in February, there is listing only for that users who buy IDO only, and they will get $UN. So in February, there is no chance to get airdrop for that user who buy FD points only. Thanks for your understanding. This is coming from this particular person, Arichenda. So, my people, you have seen it. This is the update under the post that Unich made. This is where I found this update, and this particular person said there is no airdrop for users who did not participate on the pre-sale. If you did not purchase pre-sale, you are not going to receive anything on February 2026. Now, he said that the UN token that we all are saying that they will be converted to UN will not be converted, that it will only be converted to FC, which there is no chance of listing. This FC, they say there is no chances of its listing in February. So my people, what do you think? What do you think? Do you see why they are extending their IDO pre-sale? So if you believe in them, you can go and purchase so that you can receive something on February. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.